In primetime news this evening, damning. Former permanent secretary slams education ministry's supervision of the CMU. Disappointed. Private sector groups bemoan delay in amending law to bar politicians from public sector boards. And preparing for school. Education minister outlines plans for September. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: have you been wearing a mask when you leave your home? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.